In this session, we'll check the outline. In this, we can see in the pre-process, there are some CAD and mesh tools which have been improved for the user, especially if they are dealing with some heavy parts or maximally if they want to change the meshing or the CADs, if they want to add some parts or the features on the part itself, so they don't need to go to the CAD software and do those things. They can directly utilize the Moldex3D to make the changes in their parts. So in beginning, I'll show you the CAD tools followed with the mesh tools which are new in 2021, and at last I'll give you a short live demo which will be useful for the useful for you to analyze and understand how to utilize those tools. So let's begin. So as you can see on the screen, there are multiple tools added to Moldex3D 2021. In the beginning, in the point section, if you can see, there is a volume centroid, which will help user to get the central location of if there are multi cavities. So if you utilize this tool, you will be able to get the center location of the part, and by refer to that, you can able to design your runner system and you can make it more balanced. So this kind of tools, it can be very useful for the designer, or if you're already a Modesty user, this will be very helpful for you. And there are some exploit curves and the center lines. Mostly when you import the runner, the geometry runner, I can say, but for those things, you have to manually draw one by one line with refer to those geometry. But here, Studio has provided extra tool in 2021, which is center line, which will give you a direct curves with refer to the geometry. So we'll go through all these tools one by one. Before that, I'll explain how and where those tools can be utilized. In the first one, which I just explained in the volume centroid, it can be utilized to design your runner to make it more balanced between both the cavities. As you can see here, this portion here, there are two cavities, and with the help of that, if you select both the cavities, you will get the center point here, and by that you can draw a runner system which will be more easy and suitable for the designer to make it more balanced. Next will be the interpolate curve. In this, it can be useful for the IC package